Everwood's Christmas Magic Tale. Chapter 1. The Snowy Beginnings. Once in Everwood, where snow falls like soft feathers, lived Lily. Lily really loved Christmas. She loved the snow, the cookies, and the sparkly lights that made everything look magical. Lily and her grandma lived in a little house. It wasn't big, but it was full of love. Lily and her grandma waited for the snow to come every year. The snow made their town look like a fairy tale. But this year was different. Lily's grandma got sick, and Lily felt sad. The Christmas songs and happy feelings were missing. Lily wanted to make Christmas special, so she got an idea. Lily put on her warmest scarf and went outside in the snow. She found pretty wildflowers in the field. Each flower was like a little star. Lily thought they would make Grandma happy. Back home, Lily went into the kitchen. She cooked a soup that Grandma loved. The smell was so good. Lily also made a card with colors and paper. It was a special card just for Grandma. On Christmas Eve, Lily couldn't sleep. She put the flowers, the card, and the soup on the table. The house felt warm, and Lily whispered, "I hope Christmas magic comes." What Lily didn't know was that the town outside was getting ready for a surprise. The snow, the stars, and the wind had a secret plan to make Lily's Christmas extra special. As Lily slept, the magic of Christmas began to fill the air, promising a story of love and joy for tomorrow. Chapter 2. A Town's Whisper. The next morning, Lily woke up with excitement in her heart. As she opened her eyes, she noticed something different. The room sparkled with a soft light. Lily rubbed her eyes and ran to the window. To her surprise, the town had transformed overnight. The little houses were covered in twinkling lights, and snowmen with carrot noses lined the streets. Lily's eyes widened, and a big smile lit up her face. Wow, it's like a Christmas dream! As Lily and Grandma stepped outside, their neighbors greeted them with warmth and joy. Lily's friend Jake handed her a little present wrapped in shiny paper. "Merry Christmas, Lily!" he exclaimed. Lily unwrapped the gift to find a tiny snow globe that sparkled with snowflakes. The whole town had come together to bring Christmas to Lily and her grandma. Mrs. Johnson, who lived next door, brought a plate of cookies, and Mr. Miller, the baker, handed them a bag filled with sweet treats. Lily's heart felt as warm as the hot cocoa she sipped. As they walked through the town, Lily and Grandma noticed a big banner that said, "Merry Christmas, Lily and Grandma!" Lily's eyes filled with happy tears. She hugged Grandma and whispered, "It's the best Christmas ever!" The snow whispered its secrets, the stars twinkled with joy, and the wind carried the laughter of the town. Lily realized that Christmas wasn't just about gifts. It was about sharing love and kindness with others. That night, Lily and Grandma invited everyone into their cozy home. They shared stories, laughter, and the joy of being together. The little cottage echoed with the sounds of a community celebrating the magic of Christmas. As Lily closed her eyes that night, she knew she had received the best gift of all, the love of friends and neighbors. The town's whisper had turned her Christmas from a quiet wish into a beautiful reality, and Lily fell asleep with a heart full of happiness and gratitude. Chapter 3. The Special Times Continue. After Christmas in Everwood, the days were happy and full of laughter. Lily and Grandma's small house became the heart of the town, a place where everyone gathered to tell stories, play games, and enjoy being together. Lily's friend Jake suggested they build a snow fort in the meadow. The whole town joined in, and soon the meadow was filled with the sounds of snowballs and laughter. Lily's heart felt as light as the snowflakes dancing around them. One cold afternoon, Lily's neighbor, Mrs. Johnson, invited her to a special crafting session. They made colorful paper chains and snowflakes that decorated every part of the house. Lily loved how the simple decorations made their home look even more magical. As New Year's Eve got closer, Lily felt thankful for her wonderful friends and the special time she shared with Grandma. They decided to write a letter to thank the town for making their Christmas so magical. Lily carefully wrote each word, saying how much their kindness meant to her and Grandma. On the night before the New Year, the town planned a happy gathering. There were fireworks, music, and laughter under the starry sky. Lily and Grandma stood together, surrounded by the warmth of the community they now saw as family. When the clock struck midnight, Lily closed her eyes and made a wish. She wished for Grandma's health and happiness, and for more moments filled with the love from the town. Little did she know, the magic of Everwood had just started. The next morning, Lily and Grandma woke up to a surprise. The town had gathered outside their house with a giant banner that said, "Happy New Year, Lily and Grandma." The air was full of excitement as people gave them colorful balloons and shared their hopes for the new year. Lily hugged Grandma, feeling very happy. The town didn't only give them a magical Christmas, but also a feeling of belonging and friendship that would last a long time. As they joined the celebrations, Lily knew in her heart that the magic of Everwood was a gift that kept on giving. And so, as the new year began, Lily and Grandma continued to enjoy the love and warmth of their new family in Everwood. The snow kept falling gently, covering the town like a cozy blanket, and the whispers of the wind promised more adventures and happiness in the chapters yet to come. Chapter 4: Grandma's Special Wish. In Everwood, winter days went by, and a feeling of both happiness and sadness filled the air. Lily's grandma, even with love and laughter around, was getting sicker. Lily noticed Grandma's tired face and how her voice became softer each day. One chilly afternoon, by the fireplace, Grandma looked at Lily with warm, loving eyes. "Sweetheart, there's something I need to tell you," she said, her words carrying love and a bit of sadness. Lily listened, feeling a heavy heart, as Grandma explained that her sickness was getting stronger. "But Grandma, we had such a magical Christmas. Can't the magic make you better?" she asked, hopeful. Grandma gently touched Lily's cheek. "The magic of Christmas will always be with us, my dear, but sometimes our bodies have their own stories to tell." Feeling the change in the air, the town gathered around Lily and Grandma. They brought warm meals, shared stories, and gave comforting smiles. One day, with snowflakes falling outside, Grandma, with a soft smile, said, "Lily, my dearest, I have one last wish. Promise me, sweetheart, that you'll keep the warmth of our Christmas in your heart and share it with others." With tears on her cheeks, Lily nodded. "I promise, Grandma. I'll make sure our Christmas magic lives on." As Lily held Grandma's hand in the long winter nights, she knew that, even in sadness, love was the strongest magic. And so, as the snow kept falling outside, Lily made a heartfelt wish, hoping that the love they shared in Everwood would always warm her heart. Keep reading for what happens next. Look out for episode 2.